Hey everyone, this is EIO back again with another video, and today we have some great news for those who were waiting for the upcoming Mi 11 Ultra or the Mi 11 Pro, and thanks to a massive leak coming right from a channel of a Filipino YouTuber, Tech Buff. Now we have a high quality hands-on look on the upcoming Mi 11 Ultra, and the YouTuber shared the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra in black and white variants, and just check out the beauty of this phone. This is a completely leaked video and full courtesy to Tech Buff. On the front there is a beautiful curved display which is completely bezel-less, and all we can see a punch hole cut out on the top left corner of the screen. Now what is so weird is that a huge camera bump can be seen which almost occupies the top portion of the phone's back. It houses a triple camera system which seems to include a periscope zoom lens. The camera housing also includes a 120x ultra pixel AI camera, a triple LED flash unit, and what is really interesting is the presence of a secondary screen. The secondary screen is capable of displaying any app present on the phone. It appears that it can be used for snapping top-notch selfies using the rear cameras. Now let's talk about the specs of the phone as revealed in the video. The Mi 11 Ultra has a 6.8-inch OLED screen with curved edges. It offers a WQHD+ resolution and a 120Hz super snappy refresh rate. The punch hole at the upper left corner of the screen has a 20-megapixel selfie camera. The screen is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and the device offers IP68 rated dust and water resistance. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 888 mobile platform powers the Mi 11 Ultra with enhanced versions of LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It is packed with a 5000 mAh of battery that supports 67 watt fast wide charging, 67 watt fast wireless charging, and 10 watt reverse charging, which is really great. When it comes to the rear cameras, the Mi 11 Ultra has a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 40 megapixel wide angle lens, and also a 48 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. It is also rumored to support 10x optical zoom. So let me know what are your opinions about this leaked video, and also share your opinions regarding the Mi 11 Ultra in comments. In my opinion, only the camera bump is looking a bit strange. However, a case would fix this issue. Still, there is no information on the launch date of this device, but the expected date is 25th of Feb this month. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.